to take me away back to strawberry fields and a God that was real till they took my sunshine away. I'm a liar at night, I'm a fighter by day, I'm a rolling thunder on the back of the rain. I'm the smoke in your lungs, I am the black in your plague, I am the one who's taking joy in your pain. No more.
The following YouTube video is scheduled for a Yu-Gi-Oh! Unboxing on the way to the living room. He is your Living Room Wrestling Federation World Heavyweight Champion and one half of the LWF Tag Team Champions, Extreme James. Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. As you can see, I'm doing a Yu-Gi-Oh! Unboxing, or unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, I'm using the Joey playmat that is cardboard. I got out of an old box set. This was like one of the first ever box sets I'd ever opened, and I got this table from it. But I had gone to the store, and I'd found these packs that were like 25% off, and I had got a bit of money, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. It was either this or a 10. I decided these because it's cheaper to go with the small stuff. So make sure it's a good angle. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, so we got the like. I'm not for sure what all these packs are. These are like a bit old of the older packs. You can read the Secret Force. No clue. The new Challengers. Alright. And we got the Number Hunter. And finally, World Superstar. That's gonna do it. A bunch of them got these pieces on them. I'm not for sure what they are for. But they got them like all on the back. So yeah. Ta-da! Get that out of here. Wow. I don't know what lots of these cards are because these are newer versions. I'm more into the older stuff. Wow. That's pretty cool. They're all a version of a rare, except for, I believe, this one and this one. I wish I had my sleeves on me. So for this, get out of there. Put that in the graveyard and monster spot. You can't see. Next one. We got like a tank kind of thing. Oh, it's an equipped. Where's a little bit bent? A Zombo, wow. See, like I'm okay with these kinds of stuff. I'm not a big fan of them, but I don't like the oh, what are they called? I can't remember the name of them. Like, it's the newer stuff, but newer kinds of monsters was like a spell and monster version. Dad out of here. Gosh. Dad's over here laying on the couch and I'm trying to throw it back at me. Alright. Once we're done, I'll redo a recap of all what we've got. Oh, another one of these. Let's tear it off. Hey, yeah. Got him! Didn't stick, but I got him. Hopefully soon we'll do a bit more of the wrestling stuff will come out. I'll be able to get a bit more of that in. Turn it! Throw him with all the trash. My father. Alright, it's not wanting to go. Alrighty. Wait, let's control the cards. Uh-oh, don't do that. These. I don't like these kinds of cards. I'm not a big fan of them. Darn it! I missed. Let's get the camera set back up. Alrighty, next pack. Alright, ready? But, Dad, choose one. Choose a side. Which one?
Left.
The series, alright. Alright, whatever. Darn it, I messed up. God. Hi. Gosh. I'm just cringe. You know what? I'll tell you what I told my father a couple seconds ago. People don't call me cringe. They call cringe me. Oh, that's cool. At the end of this video, I will show what the title of going on Facebook. Go follow me on Facebook and on YouNow. You should get updates about YouNow on my Facebook. If you do go on there, I'll do live streams lots of times. I'll do Yu-Gi-Oh, wrestling, I'll do all kinds of stuff. It's Trenton Bryant. It's T-R-E-N-T-E-N, not T-O-N, and B-R-Y-A-N-T. Almost there. Darn it! I just tried to fling a card at him. Don't work. Okay. Alrighty. Is that all? Yeah, I believe so. That's all the cards we got for today. I haven't done a Yu-Gi-Oh video in a long time, and I'm glad I did. Okay, let's give this one more try. Ready? Here we go. Darn it! Wait, we still got like a pile of them. Yeah.
Really?
Darn it.
Seriously.
I got him! Oh! Dude, skip it style.